Wei, I have something for you.
What is it?
Dead triads, 6 of them in the past few months. All found by the water. All sliced open.
Well, what do the investigators think?
What investigators? You think HKPD puts a lot of effort into solving dead gangsters?
Well, so what, they're not people now?
This is why I'm coming to you. We just found 3 new bodies under the Aberdeen Bridge. Get down there and take a look around. And Wei, uniform officers on the scene say at least one of them is from your crew.
What? You positive?
Keep your head on straight, officer. And your eyes open. Are you sure? I've never heard of them. I've never even heard the name. Whoever heard of a triad named after a Norse god? Someone in your department is dipping into confiscated dope, Lieutenant.
I'll take some,
fish
thanks.
balls will blow your mind. Great, you won't regret it.
Hey, what can I do for you? You go enjoy yourself.
Who are you?
Bomb squad. You here see anything suspicious, officer?
What? No. Is there a bomb?
Could go off at any minute. I'm guessing the blast won't go more than a few hundred meters.
Excuse me, I forgot something in my car.
Someone did surgery on these guys. Everyone the same. This is no ordinary serial killer. Hey, it's Wei.
What did you find out?
Vincent. They got Vincent.
I'm sorry. I know he was your friend. What are you gonna do next?
All the victims were Sun On Yi. All had an organ removed, cut right out of it. You're right, this isn't just about murder.
What's your next step?
The removal looks professional. A surgeon of some kind. I'm gonna look into the hospital records. If somebody's stealing organs, they gotta be using them for something.
All right. Keep me informed.
What do you have right now?
Another hit and run. Poor guy got thrown right across the road.
What are you doing here?
What's wrong with
You in the habit of challenging doctors, nurse? I'm saving lives. What are you doing here?
So sorry, doctor. My
Someone
apologies.
is running down people on purpose.
Have you told the cops?
Told them what? It's not for me to make that call.
I guess.
Wanna grab some needles?
Sure.
like Dr. Sang is doing a lot of kidney transplants. Where are you getting your donors, Sang?
You catch those gunshot victims the other day?
Couple of them. Can't believe someone shot up a wedding. Barbarians. Try it, guys. See, oil gun. Complete animals.
I know, it's scary even looking at it.
I was expecting someone to rush in and finish them off. What happened?
Thanks, that made me feel a lot better.
Not saying it will.
You know, I have enough trouble sleeping at night.
Four Finger Wu? What are you doing meeting 18K Red Bull, Sang? Motherfucker. Killing Sun Onion guys just to get organs for an 18K ring.
Tang, it's Wei.
What have you found?
I've got the doctor. He's doing a lot of transplants off the books, and he's got ties to an 18K Red Bull. I planted a bug in his office. You should be able to listen in on him. Tang, it's Wei. Stay on that wiretap. I expect Sang to be doing an emergency kidney transplant at any minute.
He already got the call. But wait, they picked up the donor too. It's Calvin. Your friend, Calvin.
Shit. I have to warn him.
They're saying he's in Central. They're already after him. But wait, you can't let him see you. The only way you'd know he's in trouble is if you're a cop.
Make me kill you. Okay, I got him. Pull in Dr. Sang.
You sure?
Tragic story of modern medicine, Inspector. Not every patient makes it.
Way.
I'm leaving this guy in the parking structure off Quock Street in Central. Make sure you send someone to let Calvin out of that trunk.
Dr. Sang confessed. He's done more than 20 transplants for 18K in the past 2 years alone. The guy gives urban myths a bad name. He'll get 10 to 20 in maximum security. When you consider that all his victims were triads, I wonder how long he'll actually serve. 18K won't be happy. But I'll personally sleep a lot better knowing he's not out there. Doesn't bring back your friend. But I think it's fair to call it justice.